Good day everyone, I am Katrina.Italia of BSECE 382 and in this video, I'm going to show you my LED light visualizer effect using Arduino. So here is my breadboard circuit and here is my Arduino sketch. So first I'm gonna compile and upload this sketch. So as you can see, the tap switch serves as the main control element of the system. It is configured using the Arduino's internal pull-up resistor, allowing the program to detect a button press when the input reads low. While the tap switch is pressed, the LED sequence runs continuously. When the switch is released, the animation immediately pauses and the current LED configuration remains unchanged. Pressing the switch again resumes the sequence from the exact point where it stopped, rather than restarting the pattern. So this pause and resume behavior is achieved by controlling when the animation logic is allowed to update.
Use the pattern.
So now I'm going to explain or show how the code is able to generate the specific pattern. So this pattern is divided into 3 sections. The first phase is a mirrored expansion effect that begins at the center of the LED array and moves outward. So in that phase, 2 LEDs at equal distances from the center are turned on simultaneously. Then the second phase is a mirrored collapse effect that reverses the direction of the movement. So instead of expanding from the center, the LEDs begin lighting from the outer edges of the array and move inward toward the center. And the final phase introduces a skip burst pattern, which adds complexity and uniqueness to the display. So in that phase, every third LED is turned on and starting position shifts with each step. Here is the explanation of my code. So the main core for the step-based animation is this. Wait, I'm gonna highlight. In step index. So what this does, it represents one moment in the animation. So every time it increases, the LEDs move to the next visual state. And if the button is released, step index stops changing. So the LEDs freeze. Then for the button controlled motion or pause and resume, this is the code here. So what it does is when the button is pressed, pattern advances. When the button is released, there is no updates or LEDs remain frozen. Next is for the clearing the LEDs before each step. Here is the code. This one. So in every animation, step starts with all LEDs off. So it allows the program to redraw a new shape each time instead of stacking old ones. Then for the pattern cycling here, here, this one. So this line loops the animation. There are 18 total animation steps. After step 17, it goes back to 0. So that creates a continuous repeating pattern. So for the phase 1, here is the code for phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. So for phase 1, it starts with 2 center LEDs. So each step lights 2 LEDs at equal distance from the center. Then phase 2, light LEDs from the outer edges moves inward toward the center, creating a closing or folding effect motion. Then for phase 3, light LEDs in a skipping pattern. Offset changes each step and it looks like a rotating diagonal wave. So that's it. I have successfully demonstrated the controlled LED animation. So this is effective for this is an effective use of user input and stage management with an Arduino program. With a combination of mirrored expansion, mirrored collapse, and skip burst phases, it resulted in a unique light display. While the tact switch control ensures the animation responds intuitively to user interaction. So that's it.